Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the 2014 Mazda 6 Grand Touring. It's an excellent midsize sedan that offers a blend of style, driving performance, and efficiency. So let's go ahead and explore what makes this car stand out in its segment and why it's something you should consider. First up, let's talk about its design. The 2014 Mazda 6 features the brand's Kodo Soul of Motion design language. It boasts a sleek and aggressive front grille, flanked by sharp, angular headlights. The overall look is sporty yet sophisticated, making it a head-turner on the road. Even 10 years later, this car still stands out with its Kodo design that's matched with newer Mazda vehicles being released today. You could honestly expect this design to remain timeless for years to come. Moving to the side profile, the Mazda 6 has a streamlined silhouette with flowing lines that gives it a dynamic stance. The 19-inch alloy wheels on the higher trims add to its sporty appeal. The rear is equally impressive with LED taillights and dual exhaust outlets that hint at its performance capabilities. Taking a look inside, the 2014 Mazda 6 continues to impress. The cabin is well crafted with high-quality materials and a clean, minimalist design. The seats are comfortable and supportive, perfect for long drives. The driver-focused cockpit ensures all controls are within reach. The Mazda 6 comes equipped with a 5.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that features Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and a premium Bose audio sound system. While it might not be the most advanced system compared to modern standards, it's functional and user-friendly. Underneath the hood, the 2014 Mazda 6 offers a 2.5-liter Skyactiv G 4-cylinder engine that produces 184 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, or it can be offered in a 6-speed manual transmission. The Skyactiv technology ensures excellent fuel efficiency without compromising on performance, so you can expect around 26 mpg in the city, 38 on the highway, and 30 combined. On the road, the Mazda 6 stands out with its responsive handling and composed ride. The steering is precise, and the suspension strikes a good balance between comfort and sportiness. So it doesn't matter whether if you're navigating through city streets or cruising on the highway, the Mazda 6 delivers a confident and enjoyable driving experience. Some of the standard safety features that it's equipped with is anti-lock brakes, stability control, and of course airbags. Higher trims offer advanced safety options such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a rear view camera. In summary, the 2014 Mazda 6 is a well-rounded midsize sedan that offers a blend of stylish design, engaging performance, and good fuel economy. While it may lack some of the latest tech features, it remains a solid choice for those seeking a reliable and fun-to-drive vehicle. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in the next one.